Fractions are usually less than one whole. These are called proper fractions. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 2/8 of a pizza or half of a sandwich. But fractions can be bigger than one whole. For example, here we have 3 halves of an orange. 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves. You can see that 3 halves is larger than 1 whole because we have 1 whole orange and an extra half. 3 halves is an improper fraction. Improper fractions have a numerator larger than their denominator. An improper fraction can also be expressed as a mixed number. It's called a mixed number because it's a mix of a whole number and a fraction. How many wholes do we have? 1. How many extra halves do we have? 1. 1 whole and 1 half. The mixed number is 1 1/2. 1 1/2 is the same as 3 halves. Let's take a look at another example. What fraction have these pizzas been cut into? That's right, quarters. Let's count how many quarters we have. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, 6 quarters, 7 quarters, 8 quarters, 9 quarters. We have 9 quarters. This is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Let's think about how we could write this as a mixed number. How many wholes are there? 2. How many extra quarters are there left? 1. The mixed number is 2 1/4. 2 1/4 is the same as 9 quarters. Here's another improper fraction. Let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. We are working with eighths. Our fraction has 10 of them. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 8/8 is 1 whole. 9/8, 10/8. There is 1 whole and 2/8. The mixed number is 1 2/8. Here we have a mixed number. It's telling us that we have 3 whole and 2/3. How can we express this as an improper fraction? Easy. We count how many thirds we have all together. We know that each whole has 3/3. So in total, we have 11 thirds. 11 thirds is the same as 3 2/3. Converting between improper fractions and mixed numbers is easy.